Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see muted accounts on the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and go into settings and privacy. Now if you scroll down again, we find privacy and safety. We tap on this, and then we find mute and block under the your X activity section. We tap on this, and then at the top of the list we find muted accounts. If we tap on muted accounts, here we can check the list of the accounts that we have muted, and maybe modify it if we would like to. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.